Hello again, and welcome back to our journey into the world of Spring. Last time, we laid the foundation for understanding Spring Boot. Today, we're taking the next step by setting up your development environment. This is where the magic happens. So let's make sure everything is in place to turn your ideas into reality. The first thing we need is the Java Development Kit, JDK. Think of it as the engine that powers your applications. Without it, your Spring Boot projects simply won't run. Since many systems, including Kali Linux, may already have Java installed, let's first check the current version. Open your terminal. If you're not sure how, just press Ctrl-Alt-T and it will pop up. Once the terminal is open, type Java-version. If you see a version other than Java 17, or if you frequently work with multiple versions of Java, we'll use a powerful version management tool called sdkman. For this course, we'll be using Java 17, which is both stable and feature-rich. curl s https get.sdkman.io bash initialize sdkman source home/.sdkman/bin/sdkman init.sh type sdk list Java. Here's the list I obtained. This tool makes switching between different Java versions effortless. Quite and type SDK install Java 17.0.1 2-Oracle. Note, the exact version may vary slightly depending on updates. Set Java 17 as the default version. We'll verify the installation Java version. And just like that, Java is ready to go. Next up, we have Maven, a powerful build tool that helps manage dependencies and automate builds. Imagine trying to keep track of dozens or even hundreds of libraries manually. Sounds exhausting, right? That's where Maven comes in, handling everything for you. To install Maven, run sudo apt install Maven. Verify the installation, mvn-v. With Maven in place, you're now ready to handle complex dependency trees without breaking a sweat. Now, let's talk about your integrated development environment, IDE, the place where you'll spend most of your time coding. We'll use Visual Studio Code, VSCode, because it's lightweight, highly customizable, and supports Java and Angular development perfectly. Go to code.visualstudio.com and download the correct version for your OS. Ctrl-Alt-T. Navigate to the Downloads directory by running cd downloads. Laws to list the files in the directory to confirm the name of the .deb file. Install the .deb file using the apt package manager. Replace with the actual file name of the downloaded. The command would look like this. Once installed, launch VSCode from your application's menu or type. Code open the VSCode, the extensions marketplace, Ctrl-Shift-X, and install essential extensions. Java Extension Pack provides essential tools for Java development. Spring Boot tools adds support for Spring-specific features. Angular language service helps with Angular development later in the course. Prettier ensures consistent formatting across your codebase.
All right, let's set things up properly. The first step is to create a folder where we'll store all the files for our project. We'll keep everything organized and easy to manage. Let's create a new folder inside your Documents directory. You can name it whatever you like, but I'm going to call mine Microservice Developer. Feel free to choose a name that works best for you.
Configure settings. Create a VSCode/settings.json file in your workspace and add Java configuration. Update build configuration. Automatic. Editor.format on save. True. Files.autosave. After delay. This will automate build updates ensure proper formatting, and save your work automatically. You've probably heard the saying, code without version control is like driving without a seatbelt. Git is your safety net. It allows you to track changes, collaborate, and revert to previous states if something goes wrong. To install Git, run sudo apt install git. Verify the setup, Git version. Then configure your details. Git config, global user, name, your name. Git config, global user dot email, your email. You're all set to commit, push, and share your work with the world. Finally, let's talk about Docker, a game-changing technology for containerization. With Docker, you can package your applications along with their dependencies, ensuring consistency across different environments. Docker allows you to run your app on any machine, from local to cloud. Avoid the infamous "it works on my machine" problem. Deploy applications faster and more securely. To install Docker on Kali Linux, run sudo apt install docker.io. Start and enable Docker. Sudo systemctl start Docker. Sudo systemctl enable Docker. Verify installation. Docker version. There you have it. Your development environment is now fully configured and ready for action. Each of these tools plays a vital role in your development journey, and together they form a robust ecosystem that supports your growth as a developer.